Hi guys, I'm doing a face cam.
Hey guys, we are back with another video. Today we have another hater over here. He is trying to roast me by calling me weird names. Well, let me explain. First of all, he called me Ginger's Eye Gaming, which is wrong vocabulary, and second of all, he says I just play bonk.io, but even though I actually play other games such as deep.io and gota.io, so you're incorrect there. Third of all, he's the one with 9 looking ass subscribers to even say such a thing about my channel. That's it guys, we have to expose this kid. Piece of shredder, what kind of name is that? That sounds like a Chinese ripoff of the mutant.
Oh Shredder. Your YouTube channel is Piece of Shredder Games. But I think you mean Piece of Shit Games. Hi guys, it's Piece of Shit here. I'm literally going to call myself that because I'm a fucking asshole. I've been roasting people and thought it was funny and fun, but they didn't like it, and I don't like when I'm roasted either. Now I know what some people are thinking, Memesmo ripoff. No, I'm not a Memesmo ripoff. Sure, I was inspired by a few channels to roasting like Ricecam and Ninja Eyes, but I'm going to stop now. From now on, I'm going to do commentating videos, the easiest type of videos. All you need to do is sit on your chair and slap your big butterfingers on your keyboard to create text-to-speech. I also worked hard on this video, so please like and sub. Sorry Ninja Eyes for roasting you. Sorry DrShade. In return, I'm going to absolutely destroy myself with a diss track. Prepare yourself.
This is a Lion Pond beat production. This is a Lion Pond beat production.
Yo Shredder. You fat as hell. Maybe even fatter than the giant Liberty Bell. You roast people cause you don't have a friend. And yet you can't even have a spoon bed. You may know how to rhyme and all. But even a piece of time could be better at making jokes. Look at that sub count, it looks like you suck. Maybe you're even stupider than a big sitting duck. Shut the hell up mate, your videos are super bad. Look how many dislikes you have, it's like you're so mad. You don't use your voice cause your voice is super squeaky. And look, you're so young that your pants become leaky. Maybe you'll work out because you're so toxic. And even your videos are super caustic. You think you're better than everyone cause you have a stank video editor. But you think you're the best, but the hate is of the predator. I guess this track is done. So you'll have to go home and run.